Assalamualaikum, myself 𝚙𝚒𝚗𝚝𝚗. In today's video, I will show you how to super fast fingerprint lock on Samsung phone. First, we need to open the setting from the phone. After opening setting, click on security and privacy. Then click on biometrics. Click on fingerprint. Then enter your current password, continue, and show animation when unlocking option should turned off. And after doing this, when you unlock your phone with fingerprint, you will notice that it is much faster than before. I hope today's video will be useful for you. If you like this video, then you can share your opinion by commenting, like and subscribing to my YouTube channel.